Exploring ChatGPT plugins for a tailored user experience. ChatGPT plugins are software extensions that allow users to enhance the functionality and performance of their chatbots powered by ChatGPT, a conversational artificial intelligence platform. ChatGPT plugins can be used to add features such as voice recognition, sentiment analysis, natural language generation, and more to ChatGPT chatbots. ChatGPT plugins can also help users to customize their chatbots according to their preferences and needs. Here are just some of the benefits of using ChatGPT plugins. Number 1, they can improve the user experience and engagement of ChatGPT chatbots by making them more interactive, responsive, and human-like. Number 2, they can increase the accuracy and relevance of ChatGPT chatbots by enabling them to understand the context, intent, and emotion of the user's queries and responses. Number 3, they can expand the capabilities and scope of ChatGPT chatbots by allowing them to handle complex tasks and scenarios, such as booking appointments, ordering products, providing customer support, and more. And lastly, they can also save time and resources for ChatGPT chatbot developers by providing them with ready-made solutions and tools that can be easily integrated and configured with ChatGPT chatbots. Here are some important ChatGPT plugins. Number 1, ChatGPT Voice, a ChatGPT plugin that enables ChatGPT chatbots to speak and listen to the user's voice input and output using text-to-speech and speech-to-text technologies. Number 2, ChatGPT Sentiment, a ChatGPT plugin that allows ChatGPT chatbots to analyze the sentiment of the user's messages and adjust their tone and style accordingly using natural language processing and machine learning techniques. Number 3, ChatGPT Content, a ChatGPT plugin that helps ChatGPT chatbots generate relevant and engaging content for the user, such as jokes, stories, poems, and more, using natural language generation and deep learning models. ChatGPT plugins are easy to install and use with ChatGPT chatbots. Users can browse and download ChatGPT plugins from the ChatGPT plugin store or create their own ChatGPT plugins using the ChatGPT plugin developer kit. The plugins can be activated and deactivated with a simple command and can be updated and modified as per the user's requirements. ChatGPT plugins are the ultimate way to enhance and optimize ChatGPT chatbots and also to make them more fun and useful for the user. The plugins are the future of conversational artificial intelligence.